If you're hunting for the perfect cordless nail gun, you've come to the right place. Today we're ranking 5 of the most popular models, from the weakest to the absolute best performer, to help you find the one that truly fits your needs. Let's start off with the BIELMEIER. It's a cordless 2-in-1 brad and staple gun that's all about convenience and affordability. Positioned at the bottom of our list, this tool is perfect for beginners or anyone who just needs something quick and easy for light projects around the house. The BIELMEIER offers both brad nailing and stapling in one compact design, so it's great for DIY upholstery, crafts, or small woodwork. It comes with adjustable power settings, a safety lock, an LED work light, and a clear window so you can see your remaining nails. It's simple, practical, and ready to go out of the box. However, it's not built for speed or heavy-duty use. The firing rate is on the slow side, and the magazine only holds about 50 fasteners. Compared to others on this list, it's just not ideal for larger projects or professional trim work. This one's best suited for casual DIYers who need a safe, easy-to-use nailer for home repairs or craft projects. And by the way, all the links to these nail guns at the best available prices are waiting for you down in the description. Next up, we've got the NEWMASTER. This one's not cordless, it's pneumatic, but it earns its place for its versatility and lightweight build. It's incredibly affordable and works with both brad nails and staples, giving you flexibility for a wide range of materials. The NEWMASTER is a workhorse for small woodworking jobs, baseboards, and furniture assembly. It offers an adjustable exhaust to redirect air, a comfortable grip, and a quick release mechanism to clear jams easily. It's reliable and easy to control for beginners who already own a compressor. Of course, needing a compressor limits mobility, and it means you're tethered by a hose. It also doesn't have the convenience of a cordless battery system like the others we'll cover. Overall, this tool is a solid budget choice for hobbyists who already have pneumatic equipment and want something light and reliable. And before we move on to the next one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product comparisons like this one. Now we're stepping into faster, more capable territory with the KYMO. This cordless nail gun packs an impressive punch for the price. It's designed for both brads and staples, making it a flexible all-rounder for most home improvement projects. The KYMO stands out with its rapid firing speed and adjustable depth control. It's great for trim, baseboards, or even small cabinetry jobs. Plus, it includes 2 batteries, a rare bonus in this price range, so you can keep working without interruption. Still, its battery life isn't quite as strong as premium models. Under heavier workloads, it may slow down, and its overall build quality, while solid, doesn't quite match up to professional-grade options like the DEWALT. If you're a weekend warrior or homeowner looking for a balance between power and portability, the KYMO offers a ton of value. It's quick, it's cordless, and it's versatile. Next, we have the Worx WX842L. This model brings a noticeable jump in precision and design quality. It's cordless, compact, and built for consistent performance on trim and finish jobs. Worx uses an internal compressed air system, so you don't need any gas cartridges or hoses. The tool-free depth adjustment and jam release make it extremely user-friendly. Its LED lights and narrow nose help you place nails accurately, even in tight corners. The only downside? It's a bit heavier than average and limited to brads up to 2 inches long. If you're doing ceiling trim or repetitive overhead work, the weight might get tiring. For DIYers and pros alike though, the Worx is a strong, dependable performer that handles delicate finishing work beautifully. It's the perfect bridge between casual and professional use, but one tool still beats it out. Finally, topping our list is the DEWALT DCN680D1, the gold standard in cordless brad nailers. This tool defines professional performance, reliability, and ease of use. It's fully cordless, offers tool-free adjustments, and has one of the best shot counts in its class. The brushless motor ensures consistent power and long runtime, while the micro-nose design gives excellent visibility for precision nailing. It's not the lightest option, and the LED lights could be better positioned, but when it comes to overall performance, nothing else here comes close. It's powerful, efficient, and ready for real professional work. If you're serious about woodworking or trim work, the DEWALT is worth every penny. It's the tool that gets the job done faster, cleaner, and more reliably than the rest. So there you have it. 5 of the most talked about nail guns ranked from basic to the absolute best performer. You'll find links to all these models at the best prices down in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our next deep dive review.